Hello students, in the last video we had a talk about our teeth, saliva and food pipe. In today's video we will see inside the stomach what is present inside the stomach, or we can say all about digestion. To peep inside a stomach, we have a real story of Martin. Martin was a soldier in 1822 when he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. At that time, Dr. Beaumont was called to treat him. So Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing and prescribed some medicines. After 1.5 years, the doctor found an unusual thing happened, that Martin's wound got healed except for one thing. So there was a problem. The wound hole was covered with a loose flap of skin, just like washer in a football. If you press the skin and you could peep into the Martin's stomach. So Dr. Beaumont got a chance to see live inside a stomach. It was a golden opportunity to perform experiments for Dr. Beaumont. Now Dr. Beaumont can easily peep inside the Martin's stomach, and not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Children, can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on his stomach? 9 years, so long. During this time, Martin grew up and got married. Dr. Beaumont did many experiments in the stomach. What is present inside the stomach and all about digestion. Because at that time, scientists did not know how food was digested. How does the liquid in the stomach help? Liquid means digestive juices. Digestive juices are the second type of liquid in our body. First was saliva. These helps in digestion process. So Dr. Beaumont wants to find that does digestive juices only help in making the food wet and soft like saliva, or it has different work. Dr. Beaumont did so many experiments. He took out some digestive juices from the stomach. He wanted to see what would happen to a food item kept in a glass filled with it. Would it get digested on its own? For this, he did an experiment. With the help of a tube, he took out some digestive juices from the stomach. He took out at 8:30 a.m. He put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of digestive juice. He kept the glass at the same temperature as of our stomach, about 30 degrees Celsius. When he checked at 2 p.m., he found that the pieces of fish has dissolved automatically. Now, Dr. Beaumont tried this experiment with different types of food items. He gave Martin the same food at the same time and then compared how long it took for food to digest in the glass, or we can say test tube, and in Martin's stomach. He recorded his observation in a table. Now here we have his observation table. Children, as you can see, according to this table, glass tube with digestive juices are taking more time as compared in the stomach for digestion. Why it is taking double time even they gave same temperature 30 degrees Celsius? Because our stomach walls move. This movement is called churning. Our stomach churns the food to digest. Churning is the movement of muscular walls of stomach. Like we make sugar solution using water and sugar by stirring. Without stirring, it will take a long time. So, churning of stomach helps in the proper mixing of food with digestive juices. Therefore, digestion in stomach takes less time as compared to the digestion in glass tube. Dr. Beaumont also found that the juice in our stomach is acidic. So children, by mistake, if you will eat contaminated food, the stomach's acidic nature will help you to destroy bad bacteria from your stomach. But if you eat proper food, then it will create acidity inside your stomach. You must have heard anyone talking about acidity, especially when that person has not eaten well or the food is not digested properly. Because of these experiments, the secrets of our stomach revealed. So, he became famous across the world. Means he became worldwide famous because till that time scientists did not know how food is digested. After this, many scientists did many such experiments. For this, they used other scientific ways to look inside our bodies. To perform these experiments, they did not shot people in the stomach. Of advancement in technology, through machines, doctors can see inside the stomach. Now, let's see the complete journey of food inside our body. Firstly, food enters in our mouth. We taste it and chew it. Then, through a food pipe, food enters inside the stomach. After that, food gets mixed with digestive juices. Then, stomach churns and food is digested. Only after digestion, food gives energy to our body. And undigested food passes through small intestine and large intestine, and at last it passes out of the body in form of waste. So, this was the journey of food in our body. So children, that's it for today. In the next class, we will read about good food and good health. Now it's homework time. You have to write the complete journey of food in our body.